This video is an elaboration on our bird head video where you can learn to use the Haida inspired shapes, the ovoid, the U-shape, and the trigon to add details in a body to your bird. Maybe you use the upside down U-shape to make sort of like a headdress on your bird. You could repeat that U-shape, making it a little, making it to where there's a little more space in between the first and second U up here than there is on the sides. You could put a trigon in the middle maybe, so some edges like that, and then this makes up the third edge of that trigon. I'm going to color that one in actually, like that. You can make a trigon right here, with this being the third side or edge. You can make a tongue. Let's see. Maybe I'll just make like that. We can make a wing. So a wing is making another ovoid right here, coming up. It's the start of our wing. Make another ovoid on the inside of that ovoid, leaving a little more space in between the first and second ovoid up at top, right up here, than there is on the sides or down here. Then we'll make a U shape coming off this edge of the ovoid, and then back up, like that. There can be another U within that U shape. We can make a trigon coming down here. There can be two little U shapes coming off of this bigger U shape down here. Trigons in here. Trigons coming off those U shapes. Ta-da! This is a wing of this bird. We could even make a claw down here, the claw of the bird, which could be a ovoid for the start of it, with another ovoid on the inside. The claw, we could make some trigons coming off of that ovoid here, maybe 3, and then back here there could be a trigon coming off. So this could form the head, the wing, and the foot of the bird, just using mainly our shapes, the ovoid, the U shape, and the trigon. You could just make a line like this to form the body. Ta-da! A bird inspired by shapes found in Haida art.